Hi, it's Herb again. Today I want to show you a quick video on using openCV with Lianja with Python. Now, openCV is widely recognized as the de facto image recognition, image processing, image manipulation um, product on the market, and we know it's very well integrated with Python, but Python really doesn't have what Lianja's got. Lianja has the ability to use Python, JavaScript, PHP, and Visual Fox Pro scripting all together within the same world, within the same environment, and let you interchangeably use the best of each one of those scripting languages. So let me show you a quick example. So we're going to create a new app. We're going to go to Apps. I'm going to create a new app. It's going to ask us what type of app we want to build. Asks us for an app name. We'll call this openCV Lianja. Also want to know what our preferred scripting language is. Now, regardless of which one of them you pick, you can actually, within the system itself, change the different parts of your different sections or different pages to use different languages. So you can interchangeably use the languages. For now, we'll pick Python as our default. We're not going to choose a database at this point, although probably the greatest strength of Lianja is the ability to use every database that's out there, including its own extraordinarily fast built-in database. You really don't need a third-party database with Lianja. It's got a very fast, full, you know, Fox Pro, X-base type code that you can step through records, an ISAM database. It's very, very fast. But for right now, we're not going to be doing database programming. So Lianja's going to go, it's going to create our application for us, let us know that it's open. The way that Lianja is laid out is that there's a hierarchy of pages, and within pages you create sections, and within sections you can put in widgets or gadgets. For this quick example, we're just going to use a single page, and we're going to use a canvas section. As you can see, there's many different types of sections that you can use. Okay, we'll stretch that out a little bit. We're going to drop on 2 images. Drop on that second image. Maybe we'll make it a little bigger. Of course, I could do this programmatically, but I'm right here doing it, so I might as well. Let's stretch them out a little bit. I'm going to call the first one image 1. We can give it a caption of original. I'm going to go to image 2. And we'll call this pencil. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a pencil sketch. We're going to take one image and and using CV, we're going to make a pencil sketch of it. Just to show how easy it can be done. All right, we're also going to drop on a push button or command button or whatever you want to call it. We'll double click that. Give it a caption of, I don't know, convert to pencil. We'll go down to the click event. Actually, before I go down to the click event, let's just do done here for a second. I want to show you something very, very cool about Lianja. You can go to something called the App Inspector. And what the App Inspector does, it allows you to see everything you have already laid out on your page. So we know we have a first item called page 1. The second one is section 1, and then we have image 1 and image 2. So this outline here is your page, and you can see the page by clicking on the page attributes. So we know that the page is named page 1. We know this section, click on the section attributes, is named section 1. And here we have our images that are in there. Now, we're going to be importing CV2. We're going to be importing NumPy. Right here in the App Inspector, you can test things out. You can see if that actually works or not. So if I go over here and I do import CV2 and I don't get an error, then I know I didn't have an issue. If I import NumPy and it doesn't throw me an error, then I have no issue. Now I know before I started this video, I was playing around and I did this NumPy and that threw me an error. No module named NumPy. All right, so I know that NumPy and CV2 are fine to import. So let's go to the click event of our button. So let's import NumPy. Let's import CV2. Now I've already got the code, so I'm not going to sit here and type in each line by line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'll go through with it. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is get an image file. All right, um, using a get file statement. Next thing I'm going to do is image one. I'm going to set that picture to the image I just got. Pretty straightforward. Then I'm going to use CV2 to read in the picture, change the color, all that fun stuff that we do to pencil sketch it. I'm going to write it out, and I'm going to write it out to a drive, and then I'm going to set the second image to that picture. So let me show you how really simple that is. We go to my desktop where I've got a picture of my handsome self, and boom, right there you can see it went ahead and it turned it into a pencil sketch. It's very, very simple. Um, this is just a quick demonstration of what you can do or how quickly you can get this done. We did this in about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Um, I think it's pretty great. All right, next time we'll get into something a little more deeper. Thanks. Herb.